First alert on this Monday, we do have a storm system heading through the northern Great Lakes that will bring gusty winds to our area. We could have wind gusts around midday up around 35 or 40 miles per hour. So needless to say, anything loose you may still have sitting around the house, you will want to secure it before you head off to work. Look at our wind gusts today at 8 a.m. already up around 25 or 30 miles per hour. Predicted wind gust at noon, 30 or more miles per hour in many areas. And even as the afternoon wears on and we go into the evening, some wind gusts at times around 25 miles per hour. Again, we do have a storm heading through the northern Great Lakes. It'll also bring us the chance of some showers today. There's even a very small chance that there could be a stray thunderstorm. Notice the shower activity on a scattered basis. Starting this morning, it'll take us into the early afternoon. As we head into tonight, skies should turn partly cloudy, and overall I think we end up being partly cloudy on Tuesday, even though our computer model is showing some cloud cover across the area. Our forecast for today is calling for some on and off rain showers, small chance of a thunderstorm. It's the wind gust we'll be talking about. High temperatures today near 60. For tonight, partly cloudy. The winds will gradually diminish overnight, a low of 44. For tomorrow, most of the day, we're partly cloudy, a high of 51 degrees. On Wednesday, afternoon showers, a high of 48. Thursday, mostly cloudy, a high of 50. And notice high temperatures in the mid to upper 40s Friday through Sunday.